Hello everyone, this is Kaustubh Naik and today is 15th of November 2022. Here we are again to discuss on the post-market reports on Nifty November future, Bank Nifty November future, alright, and a little bit of USD INR and Euro INR. Okay, before moving ahead, I'd like to tell you that whatever has happened today in the market, this video commentary is purely based on my point of view and all the content is only for the educational purpose, alright. Now, let us get started. Okay, so the Nifty November future previous closing was at 18,379 and today opening was at 18,439 and 1 second, just let me refresh this. All right, yes, so opening was at 349 while the high was at 18,488, low was at 18,342. Okay, before moving ahead of whatever it is, I would like to tell you that Dow Jones, S&P, Nasdaq, Russell, apart from the VIX, in the US the entire US market was in red and then VIX was slightly up. I do not know why the SGX Nifty up opened on green side. It's very confusing market. I just feel like after a few years the the entire global world market is going to watch Singapore Nifty and Indian markets to predict what may happen in the market. This is what I am kind of getting the feel. Okay, so anyways, let's move to Nifty 3 minutes chart. So we can see how the market has been moving in a range right now, and then the market opened gap up over approximately 18,439 and then it went up to the climb higher and it touched our first target at the bottom side, which was 18,300. It touched till 342 and it went into sideways, and then we got our stop loss hit and it moved on sideways, and then when our stop loss was hit, we did not take any trade. We thought of going long but did not go because there was we had already taken a stop loss. We had it was clearly an empty mind, nothing. We didn't knew where it may go and up and okay. So it went on a little bit of sideways market, and from over here, approximately 254, the market started to rally. The market started to rally up until 18,482 and it has made a high of 18,488 and it has closed at 482, close to the day's high. It has closed. Okay, yeah, it has close to the day's high, and that's what is happening. Okay, Nifty is been little bit of sideway range. Now the new all-time high has been created. If we come back to the Nifty 50, okay, the Nifty 50 index, and if we go to the overview, we can see the 52-week high yesterday, which was created at 18,399. Today the new high is been created, which is at 18,427.95. okay, now let's come back to the Nifty and we're done with the Nifty. Now let's come back to the Bank Nifty or November future. The November future 52-week high is 42,345 and the new all-time high is 450, which is again a good thing. Okay, it's very good approximately. Yeah, all right, so the Bank Nifty previous closing was at 42,202 while the open was at 42,305. High was at 42,561. Low was at 42,226. okay, if we come back on a 3 minutes time frame, the market opened here as well, the gap up. The market opened gap ups, went on a little bit on the side, and then it tried to break at the bottom and it did touch our first target. It didn't touch our first target. I mean, the first target was approximately 42,050 and then it hit our stop loss at this point, which was 42,350 at approximately 1 o'clock. It hit and then it came down to approximately 42,200 and change, and from there we quickly saw a great rally of approximately 300-400 points, and then the market has closed at high. The market has closed at the day's high, which is 42,560. I feel like the FIIs and all these big institutional investors are ready for an uptrend rally. The market is going to go up, which was supposed to be going up in Dasara. Now it is going up in the Diwali's in the Christmas is what I'm feeling. But let's see, whatever it is, we'll get to know, and the time shall say it a lot. Okay, now when we come back to the Indian market, the entire Indian market is slightly up. Okay, not a bad thing. And if we come to USD INR, USD INR is going down. It's slightly going to the bottom. It's going down. It's falling, and the USD INR right now is trading at 81.0697, which is approximately 0.96 lower or 0.774 to the bottom. And the Euro INR seems to be going up. The Euro INR right now is trading at 84.4160. In the last 10 days, it has given approximately 3.5 rupees, 3.4 or 3.5 rupees a rally, which is again an amazing thing. Amazing, it's really amazing to see that Euro INR be doing that. Okay, now then again, now it's going to fall back to approximately, we can say, 80, 81 or 80, but it's going to take some time. It's going to take at least 10 to 15 days, and we'll get to know over the time what's going to happen and all. Yeah, all right. So thank you so much for staying up until here and listening to me. I hope you have enjoyed this aftermarket hours report into the United States dollars, Euro INRs, Nifty and Bank Nifty November future. Thank you. See you in the next episode.